HIV. Is it okay to have sex with them now? No. Why? Yeah, 3 to 6 months it takes for it to even show up on a test, right? But who were they with last night? Who were they with the year before? And if you, I mean, really, this is your sexual responsibility to ask and to not only see it on paper, but how about go together? If you go together with your partner and get tested, that's a good first step. Then that means that you both are interested in each other's sexual health. Correct? Right? Are you going to trust a piece of paper that was shown to you? I had a guy that tested with me and says, I'm going to hang it up in my dorm, Miss Miranda. What good is that going to do? A lot of people carry it around like it's their license now. Isn't that something? Number 3, is lubricant important for sex? What you think? What did we used to use? Baby oil, mama cooking oil, right? Hair grease? Anybody ever use that? I mean, when I was growing up, I didn't know. I was using Vaseline. I mean, I didn't know. So why is lubricant important for sex? Why is lubricant important for sex? Let me let them have a seat. Go ahead and have a seat. Give them, they're good. Why is lubricant important for sex? What is the problem with the penis? That's the one I have the problem with. What is wrong with Mr. Penis? Because see, my vagina gets wet automatically if I'm excited, if I'm interested, but if I'm on an anti-decongestant, everything's going to dry up, right? So you have to help it along, right? So why is lubricant? What is wrong with Mr. Penis? Let me tell you about Mr. Penis. Mr. Penis likes wet, warm, and tight. That's it. That's all he knows. He has no hands to feel. He has no nose to smell. Thank goodness, right? So we have to keep him wet. We have to keep him in a tight environment. Ladies, do your Kegels. I mean, your vagina bites. You know that, right? Bite that penis and watch how excited he gets. It's a good workout. Some of y'all laughing. I'm serious, okay? Lubricant. Mr. Penis needs to know wet. That's all he wants to know is slip and slide, right? Y'all are sitting here like, don't tell all my secrets, Miss Miranda. Do we need a condom for oral sex? Okay, I need my baby up here now. I already pre-picked my baby. I got to show something off. Come on up here. He's going to help me out. He's going to help me out. Help me out, sweetheart. Have a seat right here. You're going to be King Condom for the day. Okay? Now, we're going to help everybody out. Have a seat right here. You want to sit right there?
I don't care.
Okay, wherever you want.
All right.
Okay, you're a King Condom for the day. You're going to help me out here. All right. Now, why is it, tell me, why is it that some men don't like the condom? Let's be honest. What have you heard?
Doesn't feel as good.
It doesn't feel good. Now, that also explains my theory right now about wet, warm, and tight, right? So the penis is basing it on feel. One time I was at a jail, honey. What is your name?
Trent.
Trent. I was at a jail trip, and there was a lady in the jail, and she, you know, she's a sex worker, and I was doing a class, and she says to me, you know, when I'm out there with Joe, and he gives me my money, and I'm going to get ready to get on down, right? He doesn't see the condom coming. I said, what? He doesn't see the condom coming? I said, okay. So how do you do this? So, you know, basically she would, you know, come on over and get her money and sit down, and is that, hold Mr. Penis. So then she said she will give him a little masturbating, and because you have to have an erection, right, to get the condom on. So then she said she would lean her head over and just kind of slip it on him and doesn't see it coming. Y'all want to practice that? Miranda got skills. Now, then she said she would proceed to do, you know, perform her little oral sex and everything, and then when she was finished and he got his nut and everything, you all right back there, brother? So then she would go ahead and continue, and then she would just quietly slip off the condom, and she said that he never saw it coming. Do you think that that would be true? I'm going to tell you, Mr. Penis, if he is hard and he's interested, you're not going to see it coming. So, I mean, we have to protect our mouth, right? Would you lick a public toilet, ladies? How many of you have licked a public toilet?